Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. If you've ever yearned for a way to wake up to the time in a whole new light, if you've wished for an alarm clock that goes beyond the ordinary, the Projection Alarm Clock is here to redefine your morning routine. This ingenious device is your gateway to a more informed and stylish start to the day. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of projection alarm clock on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. The unique LED RGB projection mirror alarm clock has 11 font color modes, 4 dynamic colorful modes plus 7 fixed modes. You can choose your favorite color mode to create a personalized alarm clock style. This LED clock is perfect for home decor. 180 degrees adjustable projector and 3-level projection brightness. You can project the time onto the wall or ceiling, and the font can be adjusted to 180 degrees, and the optimal distance for projection is 1.6 to 16 feet. At the same time, you can also adjust the brightness of the projected font, letting you easily read the time in the dark in the most convenient and easy way. It is the projection clock for bedroom ceiling. With auto dimming and 5-level brightness, you pick RGB projection alarm clock is with a light sensor and 6-level brightness display. This mirror digital alarm clock can automatically adjust the brightness according to the ambient light. This clock can allow you to easily check the time of day or night. You can set 2 different alarm times to meet different wake-up needs, which is convenient for you and your family. And the projection digital clock is also equipped with a snooze function of 5 to 60 minutes. The alarm clock is very suitable for bedrooms. This is a projection alarm clock with USB port. The digital clock can charge your mobile phone or earphones. The LED clock is also equipped with a memory battery. When the alarm is disconnected from the USB power supply, the mirror alarm clock can continue to keep the alarm data. Number 2. This adjustable 180 degrees projection clock, which can project ultra-clear time onto ceiling or wall within the distance range of 2 to 5 meters, and comes with 2 adjustable projection brightness. Easy to grasp the time while in your bed without touching anything. This 7.8 inches large LED digital clock includes a 5V/1A USB output interface, allow you to charge cell phone, tablets and other electronics device when you charge the LED alarm clock. In addition, the projection alarm clock is built-in backup battery included, which can remember the time settings even during a power outage. Note, the USB charger not included. There are 4-level adjustable brightness meet your requirements. You can adjust brightness or set clock at night mode. In the night mode, it will automatically enter the low light state at night from 1800 hours to 5:59 by default. Projection alarm clock has an alarm function with 3 modes to meet all your needs Monday to Saturday/Monday to Sunday/Monday to Friday. The projection clock comes with snooze function. Just press the snooze button, you can get 160 minutes extra sleep time or press any other key to cancel the alarm. With its unique design, updated features such as temperature and humidity display on the same screen, 12/24H, date function, USB charging port and modern design, our LED digital alarm clock can be a perfect gift for your family, friends, kids. Number 3. This bedside projection clock projects clear red digits on the ceiling and is easy to read in the middle of the night without having to lean forward to look at the clock. With its 180 degrees swivel projector and full adjustable focus ring, the projection distance range is 1.64 to 11.4 feet, 0.5 to 3 meters, perfect for any of your room. 3.9-inch LCD screen displays clock time, alarm time, calendar date, the day of the week, and temperature. 12H/24H time format selectable. 4-level brightness adjustable backlight for easy time reading at night. Projection brightness 4 levels. The numbers can be flipped upside down to read time upright regardless of pointing directions. Focus ring to adjust the numbers clear and sharp to see at a distance. To keep the projections and backlights work, 5V/1A power adapter and micro USB cable are required and included. Simply plug and play. The basic alarm clock function can be also powered by 3 of AAA batteries. When inserted with batteries, it still trigger the alarm during power outages, and you do not need to reset time. Never worry about missing any important meetings. Number 4. Fits right in on your nightstand to project time and temperature onto the ceiling or wall. You can either flip the projection for 180 degrees or swing the projector to and fro for 180 degrees to obtain all the information you need without glasses or contacts. Note, the clock takes turns displaying indoor/outdoor temperature every 5 seconds. Comes with a large colorful backlit LCD screen. This projection alarm clock displays time, outdoor/indoor temperature, humidity, and more in clear digits. 2 featuring dynamic numerical display and 4 brightness settings, including high, medium, low, and off. This clock is designed to provide an optimal vision that suits you best for maximum comfort in different time periods during a day. Capable of connecting with wireless remote sensors, the clock registers outdoor temperature readings and humidity around your living area. Please follow the guidelines in the manual or watch the video on the left column to learn how to connect the sensor with the clock and a few tips about its placement. Comes with separate switches on the back to control 2 alarms for different schedules and plans. The additional snooze feature allows you to sleep for 5 to 60 minutes after the alarm rings, at a simple press of the intuitive snooze/light button at the top. Number 5. Designed with 180 degrees rotatable swivel projector and projects ultra-clear time onto wall or ceiling within the optimum projection distance 1.6 to 9.8 feet 0.5 to 3 meters, allowing you easily read it even lying on the bed. When the set alarm time arrives, the alarm clock's bedside will emit a DD sound, from slow to fast, gradually aggressive, to prevent deep sleepers from missing the alarm time. The simple snooze function allows you to enjoy extra sleep time, and you can freely set the snooze time from 160 minutes. This digital clock equipment a high-definition makeup mirror, you can use it as a mirror for beauty and makeup while watching the time. The specially designed mirror surface is not easy to be stained, and it can be restored to its original appearance with just one wipe. Clock size, 7.3 x 3.54. The LED clock can also be used as a desk clock or as a wall clock in bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens and offices. This is a high-quality and practical alarm clock, suitable as a gift for family or friends.